Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas and you are on Ask Chef's channel. And today we're cooking a new and healthy breakfast, corn fritters. You can use fresh or canned corn. Most important is that you can always change some ingredients and use what you'll find in your fridge. Result will be delicious as well. Intrigued? Let's start cooking. So, if we're using fresh corn, we'll need to peel the cobs firstly and meanwhile to bring a pot of water to boil. Season the water with salt and put the cobs in. Cook until tender. Also peel one red onion and finally chop. Cut a red pepper in half and remove the seeds and membrane. Cut into small dice size of a corn grain. When corn is ready, take cobs out of the pot and slice off the grains. Gather all the vegetables together in a bowl. You can use canned corn instead or together with fresh one, so let's add 1 can for the volume. If you are into herbs, mince a bunch of parsley. Same goes for the garlic, you can add a couple of cloves. In a separate bowl, crack 4 eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard. Lots of black pepper, salt, and vegetables. And mix. After that, add 300 grams of corn flour. Mix. Add 150 ml of milk. Dough has to be thick like for pancakes. You can add grated cheese as well if you like. Okay, now we're ready to cook. Warm up a frying pan, add good amount of frying oil. Distribute the dough in a shape of pancakes. And cook a couple minutes on each side till golden brown. After that, leave it on a paper towel to absorb extra fat. A nice addition to corn fritters is a crispy fried bacon. Let's fry it in the same pan and we're ready to serve. Corn fritters are great with some thick dips like hummus, romesco, or simple sour cream. Bon appetit! Give video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye bye!